Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Chase online banking password. Let's get started. Open the app. And once you open the app, you will need to enter your username as well as your password. But if you don't remember your username or password, simply tap on Forgot Username or Password option right over here. And then on the reset page, Chase will show you a few verification options. You will need to enter your social security number or tax identification number, your bank account, your card or application number. Once you enter that information, simply tap on continue so Chase can verify that you're the actual owner of the account. After verification, you will be given the option to create a new password. Go ahead and simply enter a new password, and just like that, head back to the login screen again. And this time, enter your username, and just like that, enter the password you just created. That's it. That is how you can reset your Chase password for both online or mobile banking. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.